Hi, my name is Mike, and I just picked up my latest duck, the Hella duck, at the Hella booth here at the Overland Expo West in Flagstaff, Arizona. Okay, the history of the Jeep ducks began in 2020 when a girl was leaving her home in Alabama, driving up to her family home in Ontario, Canada, and she stopped at a gas station and apparently got into some kind of altercation with a guy, which really upset her. So she had a friend nearby. She went to the friend's house to kind of cool down, calm down. And when she left the friend, she was just so happy that they were there for her and got her calmed down. She went somewhere and bought a bag of little rubber ducks, and she put them all over his lawn to make him smile. So she continued on, and she made another stop, and there was a Jeep just like hers in the parking lot. So she took one of the ducks and she wrote on there, "Nice ride, pass on the love," right, or something like that. And within a year, this thing went bonkers in the U.S. and in 30 other countries. But so that's the story of the ducks. In this bag, I've got a number of ducks. Over the last 2 years, I think I've probably been ducked about 100 times. Duck on, dude.